Hey Monique, this is Jay Carver from ProSense SEO. I just wanted to take a minute and shoot that video over that me and Kenyosa talked about. Now we're going to go through your website and do a quick little audit to show you what is holding you back from getting on the top page of Google, and see what you can do today to bring you the most value and start outranking your competitors online. The first thing I want to talk about is going to be content. And now content's everything you see on your homepage, your service pages, and even these photos right here. Now, looking through your guys' website, it's a very beautiful website, guys. I'm just not seeing a lot of content, and Google likes to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of written content on your homepage. And that just gives you guys enough room to insert all the authoritative, relevant keywords for your business, the services you provide, and the service locations you serve. So whenever new customers is searching up the services you provide through Google and other search engines, your business is going to pop up in their search results, therefore bringing you guys in that organic traffic and those leads without keyword stuffing. And now these photos right here, if these photos are not saved correctly, whenever the Google spiders come and crawl your homepage, they're not going to be able to tell what these photos are about or what's behind them. See if we can help out with that. It does look like the photos could use a little tender loving care to be more customized for your business and the services you provide. And let's check this one out. They could use a little bit of tender loving care. Now I'm going to go over here and do a quick little search query. And when you do a little search query over here in the Google search bar, the first thing you're going to see pop up here at the top are going to be these Google ads. These are companies paying per click. This is a good way to get leads up really fast and right away. It can get a little pricey since you're paying every time someone clicks on your ad though. And right under these ads is going to be the Google Map Pack. And now this little map pack here, which is where all the businesses that have a GMB or a Google My Business profile can rank locally. You really want to be in one of these top 3 positions. Being in one of these top 3 positions is extremely important, since it can generate a lot of revenue for local businesses. These businesses are super easy to be found, so they get in a lot of calls, which can turn into leads. You can also help rank your GMB and outrank your competitors here by going and getting more citations than what they have. And now basically what a citation is just online directories like Facebook, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, and hundreds of others. Just anywhere you're able to put in your business name, address, and phone number. And now this is the Google Organic section. You really want to be ranking in one of these top 3 listings as well, since it's very beneficial to your business and can also bring in organic traffic and leads for you guys. And as we can see here, your number 1 competitor in the 4th position, and I'm not really seeing you guys on the first page of the Google Organics. So let's go see why your number 1 competitor here is ranking in that 4th spot in the organics. Now, this little program called Ahrefs, what it does, it goes in and analyzes a website on the back end and letting you know what your competitors are doing and how they're ranking in Google's eyes. So we can see what you're really up against and what you need to do to beat them out. Now, these UR and DR ratings right here, these numbers are super important to Google. The UR is how much Google trusts your website. The DR is how powerful your website is in Google's eyes. Now, these numbers are typically raised by backlinks. You may be wondering what exactly a backlink is. A backlink is an article, blog, and/or website linking back to you, acting as an endorsement, referring people back to your website. Google sees this as a popularity contest. So the more people referring back to your URL, the more they will see your website is powerful and trustworthy in Google's eyes. Then they start kicking you to the top of their rankings. Keep in mind though, not all backlinks are created the same. You do not want to go grab backlinks coming from super spammy websites and/or anything that is not relevant to your scope of work and the keywords you're trying to be found for. And I'd also like to add, this program called Ahrefs, it's not always 100% accurate, so these numbers could be a little bit higher. And your number one competitor in the Google Organics, we can see they have a pretty good Google trust. Google also sees their website as pretty powerful. They have 398 referring domains, giving them 1.13K backlinks, getting them found for 3.6K organic keywords. Now I'm going to go over here to your website real fast. And as we can see, you guys have a really good Google trust. And Google is just now starting to see your websites gaining a little bit of power. You guys do have 74 referring domains, giving you 1.17K backlinks, getting you found for only 78 organic keywords. And now the reason that your DR is so low right here could be because you guys have some spammy backlinks. Now, removing some of those spammy backlinks and adding some more authoritative, relevant backlinks to your website could definitely help raise your DR rating right here. Now, I'm going to go over here real fast. And now, as we can see, in Washington, D.C., there is 63 keywords with a total search volume of 960. And now, if you don't have enough content on your homepage to insert all these relevant, authoritative keywords throughout without keyword stuffing, you guys could be missing out on a lot of this business. Now, cleaning service Washington, D.C. is getting searched 350 times a month. Washington, D.C. cleaning service, 350 times per month. House cleaning service Washington, D.C., 100 times per month. Now, these three little keywords right here is equaling up to 700 search results per month. Not having these keywords could be holding you back from not getting this business. And now this is for cleaning service. And now we come over here to maid service, and we can see there's 17 keywords with a total search volume of 620. And like I said, this little program called Ahrefs is not always 100% accurate, so these numbers could be a lot higher. As we can see, maid service Washington, D.C. is getting searched 500 times per month. Washington, D.C. maid service, another 100 times per month. And maid service in Washington, D.C., 10 times per month. And now these three little keywords right here, relevant for maid service, is getting searched 610 times per month. Also, not having these keywords could be holding you guys back from gaining that business. And now, Monique, if you found my video helpful any at all, if it's of no imposition on you, if I could get at least one line of feedback, you would truly be helping me out in the future to bring more value. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. And I truly hope you guys can implement some of these strategies and start getting in more traffic, leads, and upping your revenue. Hope y'all have a great, safe, and good weekend. Thank you.